Iran, a country in the Middle East with nearly 90 million people. Its big capital city is Tehran, home to over 9.7 million people. A place famous for beautiful Persian carpets and the world's best saffron. This land is filled with history, from ancient cities like Persepolis to homes carved in mountains, thousands of years old. Iran's beauty changes with the seasons, from sun-baked summers to snow-dusted winters, from lush green jungles to vast hot deserts. Iran is mostly Shia Muslim, 90%, with Sunnis, 9%. Iran has a modern transport. However, they keep their old traditions, from ancient Persian times. You'll see women here wear diverse styles, from the traditional chador to colorful scarves and modern outfits.
But many in the new generation no longer follow strict rules or traditions like mandatory hijab.
Many of you might not even know where Iran was on the map before the nuclear deal. But you better come with me now and let's discover a side of Iran you might not expect.
Please subscribe and watch the next video.